So in this video, I am going to show you how to type Superscript in Google Sheets. Superscripting text can make your spreadsheets look more professional and organized. It is useful for mathematical notations, scientific formulas, and footnotes. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheets. Now click on the new browser tab and go to Google. In the Google search bar, search for Unicode character table. Hit enter and click on the first search result. Now on the website, search for Superscript. Click on Superscript and Subscript formatting option. Find and click on the Superscript 3 character. Copy the Superscript 3. Now return to your Google Sheets tab and press Ctrl plus V to paste the Superscript 3 into the spreadsheet. Your character should now be displayed in Superscript formatting. And that's how you can type Superscript in Google Sheets.